Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is COSORI air fryer. Going to give you overview of this. You can see the holes here. This is air inlet. The air goes in here, and this one is air outlet. Vent. These are vents. So if you want to carry this unit, you need to put your hand on this side, then also put your hand on this side for you to be able to lift it up. So the top is the control panel. You switch it on from the top. This is the basket. This is the basket window glass. This is skewer rack. This is crisper plate. Two of those. Crisper plate. Two of those. These are the control panel. So you select the temperature by selecting temperature and time. So if you select temperature or time, you change, you can see 19.5, which is temperature. Then this is time. Use minus or plus to select the actual unit that you want. If you want to select the temperature, for instance, select, this is temperature, then you select plus to increase it. So you select the time and temperature from this. And L is for you to select the left side. Switch this on and off from this button. This is the light. This is sink finish and sink cook, preheat, shake, bake, grill, dry, air fry, roast, reheat. The same thing is applicable on the right side. This is cook sink. Switch the lights on and off from this button. Then this is for you to select on the right. The same thing is applicable, temperature and time. You select temperature or time, then look on top for you to select the particular time and temperature that you want. Then this is start or pause from this button. But you need to select, let's say if you want to select the left, then you select left. Once you select left, then you select start. So this is how to use this. To reset it, you need to press L and R at the same time. To reset all cooking function, press and hold L and R at the same time for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. So press L and R at the same time for 3 seconds. So this is how to reset it. Reset the cooking function, press and hold the cooking function button and temperature and time at the same time for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. So this air fryer deserves your attention. Very much happy with it. I like the features. Thank you very much indeed.